Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a step over in FC24. So first, let's begin with the direction of the right analog. So if you or I'm running to the right side first, I have to begin with moving my right stick into the right side like this. And then after that, I want to move my right stick up or down, depending in which direction I want it to go. It doesn't really matter too much. However, if for instance I move to the left side, I want to begin with the by moving the right stick to the left side and then down or up. Now, if I'm moving up, then of course, once again, first I'm gonna press up and then left or right, depending which direction I want to go. And if I want to go down, I want to use my right stick first by moving down and then by moving it to the left or right side. So that's how it looks. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.